Welcome back to PrepForge's Spring Boot series. Today, at Transactional, probably the highest yield data question in Spring interviews. At Transactional lets you declare that a method runs as a single atomic unit of work. Every database change inside it either commits together or rolls back together without writing explicit begin, commit, rollback code. The analogy is a bank transfer. Either both the debit and the credit happen or neither does. And the teller handling the paperwork, that's the proxy. Under the hood, Spring wraps the annotated being in a proxy. When a caller invokes the method, the proxy opens a transaction before the body runs, commits if it returns normally, and rolls back if it throws. Two attributes dominate its behavior. First, propagation, the default, required, joins an existing transaction or starts one. Requires NEW suspends the current transaction and runs independently, important for things like audit logging, which must persist even if the outer operation rolls back. Second, isolation, which maps to the database's isolation levels, trading consistency against concurrency. Here's the rule that surprises almost everyone. By default, Spring rolls back on unchecked runtime exceptions, but commits on checked ones. So if your import method throws an IO exception and you haven't listed it, the half-finished import silently commits. The fix is the rollback for attribute. In the transfer method, a runtime failure in credit rolls the debit back automatically. That's the happy path. But no, the checked exception surprise cold. It's a favorite trick question. Now the pitfalls, which stem directly from the proxy mechanism and which interviewers ask about constantly. First, self-invocation does not work. If a method calls another a transactional method on this, the call never passes through the proxy, and the annotation is silently ignored. Second, by default, the proxy only applies to public methods. And third, a caught and swallowed exception, or checked exception you forgot to list, can silently commit a half-finished operation. Three traps, name them unprompted, and you own this question. That's a transactional, the proxy, propagation, rollback rules, and the three traps. Next in the series, Spring Data JPA, repositories for free. Like, subscribe, and level up at prepforge.net.